Welcome to General Assembly. Whether you're an alumni, taking an evening course, or embarking on an immersive experience, the Frontlines team welcomes you to our NYC campus. We are part of the experience team and make up your on-the-ground support system, helping to ensure that your experience at GA is a great one. The Frontlines team helps run the logistical operations of our NYC campus. If you ever have a question about the facilities or equipment here, please feel free to come and ask us. We will have the answer. At the New York 915 Broadway location, student spaces are on the 3rd and 4th floors. Be aware of your surroundings as the space does get crowded. During the week, be conscious of immersive students occupying the communal workspaces when their classes are let out, from 5 p.m. to closing. Try to limit your use of the space to days when your class is meeting. Communal space availability changes from day to day. Check in with the front desk about space availability and usage. Respect those around you who may be working. As you move from the front of the space to the back, try to reduce your noise level. The kitchen is a communal space and will require your help to keep it operating smoothly. Please clean up after yourself. Rinse your dishes and put them in the dishwasher. Wipe up your spills, throw away your trash. There are a lot of hungry people at GA, so be sure to label your food before putting it in the refrigerator. All unlabeled food items will be thrown out Friday afternoon if they aren't snatched up before then. Coffee and tea are available all day, so drink up. Be aware that classrooms are used throughout the day by multiple classes. Try to leave your classroom as clean and neat as it was when you entered it. While Frontlines members are known to roam, our home is at the front desk, near the entrance to each floor. If you ever have any questions, just come ask. It makes our job more fun when you come say hi and introduce yourself. We have a number of resources and equipment available for you at the front desk. We ask that you leave an ID when checking out equipment. If you ever lose anything, just check in with us at the front desk. We sweep the rooms at the end of every class and should have your item in our lost and found. To make this process easier, put your name on your belongings. Use the green labels on your desk to keep track of your chargers. You will lose a charger, and they all look the same, so don't forget to label it.